Hello. I think it's been 4 to 5 days now when my last video, which talked about the importance of cold mail and how just um, dropping your resumes on different hiring platform is not going to help you. You have to start doing, sending cold messages to people, on LinkedIn, through mail. You have to start doing that, right? So yeah, so the last video was about that, just to give everyone everyone the context who is watching this video. But so one of my subscriber messaged me and asked me that, you know we got the understanding how much important cold mail plus LinkedIn is. Uh, can you also give us some framework, which we can follow while designing our message or mail, um, when we're sending this to, you know, to company founders, startup founders, somebody who is at the leadership position, right? So this video is about that. Um, so to start with, I think I will divide the whole thing in 3 to 4 things, right? And this is going to be very consistent for the mails also, and for the LinkedIn messages also. Okay. So first of all, when any message which lands on the in the mail, it's very important that you use a subject line which is really not generic, and it should be very unique to you. Okay. So if you are a front end developer, I'm just giving one example, right? So if you are a front end developer, um, right, and you write, or you're a developer, right, be it a front end or back end. Just say that, you know looking for um, looking for opportunities, having 3 to 4 years of experience, on working on live projects. Okay. And combine these two, figure out you know some subject line which works for you. But these two elements, how much experience you have, and how many live projects you have worked on. Okay. So subject line is really really important. Okay. So that's one. Second, I'm assuming that person has, opened your mail, and now they're going to read your message or mail, right? So first thing which I did, I'm just reading my own message which I sent some years back, um, after my startup. That is, I quickly tell them about my background in 2 lines max, right? And then I talked about, I'm looking for the opportunity for this role. Okay. Do you have any such role, open in your in your company? And third, which is very important, which will really decide if you're getting going to get a call or not, minimum 5, yeah, or more than 5 link, live link of your work. Okay. So if you're looking for a job in product management, share them a link of where you have solved, case study for 3 to 5 or more than that, right? So live link of 3 to 5 case studies, right? 3 to 5 link to your PRDs, 3 to 5 link of your Figma links where you have, designed a whole user flow for any product, right? So, or if you're a developer, live link, your GitHub link. What I mean by live link, that you have hosted your work on somewhere, on some domain, and once I click that domain, I should be able to see your work, in real time, right? So you can make a to-do list, right, application. You can make a weather forecasting project. You can work on, for example, you can also make a project around, some AI projects, right? Fancy things. You can do that, all of that. But if you include these links, uh, I think that's more than enough to get a call, from whoever is reading that message, right? And if they have, honestly, if they have a open opportunity in their company, they will call. Okay, so that's to summarize what I covered till now. Good subject line, okay, and then just two line introduction about yourself, and then 5 to 6 live link of your projects, okay, on which you have worked on in the past. Okay, so what you have done, right? You have till now you have told them about yourself. You have talk to them about your life projects. Now really they know you, right? And then, you know, you can also, at the last, you can talk in 2 to 3 lines about their projects also, and why you are excited about the problem their company is solving for, and how did that relate. Okay, so just trying to, so basically they can also understand that this person is good in what he do, because they have seen your work on the link, on the place you have given. So they are convinced that they should give you, at least one chance. And second, they also are very clear that this person has some context on the problems their company is trying to solve, right? So, and that's it. And at the last, attach a resume. Yeah, and yeah, I think that's more than enough. And all these things I have talked about should not be more than 70-80 words, max 70 words. And just attach your resume. That's it. Okay, and leave that message or mail for at least a week. Don't run after the person that what's an update. It's irritating. Okay, and I'm telling this from experience. Okay, but if you really need working coffee working copy of mails or messages I have sent, and to leadership of, Paytm, leadership of Microsoft, leadership of Cisco, and etc., and able to get them, I was able to get them, call with them, I think 60% of them, to be fair. And just, you know just on the just by sending messages and mails. Okay, so don't give up. Keep trying. This should work. Okay, and if it doesn't work, let me know. And if you want that I should share my own copy, what I used to send to the people, or you want to see what other people are seeing, just sharing with me. If I have some samples to share with you, I can share that in form of Google Doc, right? And if that really helps, let me know. Yeah, I will attach a link in the comments for that also. Okay, for that also. Okay, so thank you. Bye. Take care.